Induction sheet.
Hapon guys.
Sige, akong pasahon ang sa SPTA. Sige daw, ato ang
Meeting pa.
si Ma'am Precious.
Ano guys. Meeting Manipit Central.
Okay, mga grade level officers, dinita sa kubangan.
Yan guys.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here are our new elected USPTA officers for school year 2024-2025. Chairman, Ma'am Delia R. Pernites. Vice Chairman, Rosalino N. Salamanca. Secretary, Velma L. Natividad. Treasurer, Merlin Pintor. Collecting and Disbursing Officer, Ma'am Wendy Istorba. And our BODs, Ma'am Vitang Quezon, Edgar Mungat, Romeo Dalisay, LV Hereñas, Sara Marie Exala, and Ma'am Evelyn E. Manos, our PTA Coordinator.